This model is one of the most unique models in my collection. It's a Korean Air Boeing 777 of scale 1:200, and it features the signature of all 7 members of the K-pop band Super M. So as visible on the box, it is an official Boeing licensed product with a huge photo of the Super M K-pop band. Let's start with the unboxing. So first up is the fuselage of the whole aircraft. And what I love about this model is how unique it is compared to other limited edition collaborations. So we have the beautiful Korean Air logo, and beside that an image of all the 7 members of the Super M band. And what makes this model priceless is all their 7 signatures are engraved on the top of the fuselage. So this particular version that I have does not come with wheels. It's meant to be displayed on the stand that comes inside the box. One thing I really like about this model is how substantial it feels. The body has some good weight to it and feels really premium in the hand. So let's continue with the unboxing. First up, we have the wings of the model. They are made up of good quality plastic and feel quite sturdy in the hand. The attention to detail is quite impressive. We can also see the flap track fairings underneath the trailing edge of the wings, while the leading edge features the slats. The wingtips come with a protective cover, which is quite convenient. So next up, we have the engines. It's nice to see the engines being detached from the wings. This makes them easier to store and less likely to damage. I love how precise and accurate the markings are. The engines come with a slot to attach to the wings. And finally, we have the base on which the aircraft will be mounted. It's entirely made up of wood and feels quite heavy. To be honest, I was unaware of this K-pop group called Super M. Upon research, I was able to find out that in 2019, Korean Air teamed up with this K-pop group for a special project featuring a music-style safety video, a collaborative song titled Let's Go Everywhere, and this Boeing 777 aircraft wrapped with a custom Super M livery. So let's assemble all the components. Overall, this is definitely one of the most unique models in my collection. I really love how much detail has gone into the Super M collaboration, especially the engraved signatures and the custom livery. As someone who loves both aviation and collecting aircraft models, this is definitely a special piece to have. If you have enjoyed taking a closer look at this model, consider subscribing to the Aviation Collector, and I'll see you in the next one.